Dad! Thailand Story! Now!
Veronica, the bed is not a trampoline.
But I've been waiting all day!
Okay, but you have to stop bouncing. Right, where were we?
The monkey stole your bag! Then you taught the kids. Then you said to be continued, and I was so mad.
You gave me quite the look.
The story was just getting good.
Fair enough. Part 2. This one has action, drama, a chase scene.
A chase scene?
And a very embarrassing moment with chili powder.
Tell me everything.
Close your eyes and imagine. After my mission in the village, I had 3 extra days in Thailand. And I had one big dream. I was going to paint the most beautiful painting in the history of painting. I chose my colors very carefully. I wanted everything to be perfect. I prepared my paints. Now, I was ready for my mission.
That will be 200 baht.
Oh, sorry. Kapkun Kap. My Thai wasn't very good, but I was finally ready. I walked through the countryside until I reached a small village. I decided to ask for directions. Excuse me, where is the most beautiful place to paint?
The secret waterfall, the most beautiful in all Thailand.
Perfect. How do I get there?
Easy. Walk 2 hours through the jungle, cross the river 2 or 3 times, climb a small mountain, and turn left at the sleeping water buffalo.
I'm sorry, did you say mountain?
It is a small mountain. No worries. Only takes 45 minutes.
Great.
I'm just kidding with you. Just a couple of river crossings and you'll be there.
The path was not easy. First problem, river crossing number 1. I saw what I thought was a big rock. I stepped on it. I quickly learned it wasn't a rock. Whoops. Next, I came to a giant pit in the ground. I saw a long vine. I thought, I can swing like Tarzan. Big mistake. Let's just say I failed. Next was river crossing number 2. We don't talk about river crossing number 2. I was tired and dirty. Then I saw it. It was a magical place. Absolutely perfect. Worth every river crossing. This is where we part ways, my friend. I said goodbye to my friend, and I began to set up my easel. I was ready for action. I painted for hours. My brush was on fire. Well, not actually on fire. That would be bad. I worked very hard on my masterpiece. After hours of painting, it was finally complete. It was my best work. I had been so focused on painting, I forgot to eat. I saw smoke rising in the distance. The smell of delicious food was in the air. I couldn't decide what to do. I decided to hide my painting and my tools. I'll be gone for 10 minutes. You stay right here. Don't move, don't do anything. I took a photo of the location. I'll be right back. I ran as fast as I could. There was a small restaurant in the jungle.
Welcome Welcome!
I asked her what I should order.
The special.
What's in the special?
Everything.
She placed a massive bowl in front of me. That is a lot.
You eat all of it, or you break my heart.
I accepted the challenge. So good. The food was delicious. I was so hungry. Then I heard something. Someone too cute to ignore. He was so adorable. And then, out of nowhere, he jumped on me and stole my food. Hey! I was so confused. I just got robbed by a kitten.
That is Sticky Rice. She is very naughty.
Then I took out my phone to check the time. I've been here for 40 minutes? I paid my bill and ran as fast as I could.
Come back soon.
I've never ran so fast in my life. My heart was pounding. I finally arrived at my hiding spot. Oh no! Where is it? I searched everywhere. I can't believe I lost it! Where did it go? Please be here. There was only one thing left to do. No! I wanted to lay down and die. But I decided I would fight instead. It wasn't over until I said it was over. I wasn't finished yet. I started looking for clues. And then I found one. The chase was on. Clues. I followed the paint trail to the river. There it is! I see it! So I dove into the river. I fought against the current. The water was shallow. I finally reached my target. I pulled it out of the water. It was just a silly towel. I decided to clean myself up. Then I climbed out of the river. I thought for a little while. Okay, new plan. I walked to the nearby village. Then I went inside. Everyone was staring at me. Some people giggled when they saw me. Excuse me, sir. Did you see anyone carrying a painting? A beautiful waterfall picture? Nice towel! Thank you, but have you seen a painting? I saw a young man running very fast. He was carrying something flat. He went that way. Thank you. I really appreciate it. I gave him the towel as a gift. Then I ran to the market. The market was really busy. I began my quest. I came up to one of the vendors. Did you see a waterfall painting by any chance?
No painting, but this fabric would look great on you.
She was very persuasive. Bit much, don't you think?
See, I told you.
I couldn't say no. Then I walked to the next vendor. Sir, have you seen a painting of a waterfall by any chance?
Painting? No. But come closer, smell these spices, best in Thailand!
And then it happened.
Hey, get out of here, you menace!
I made one wrong decision. The spices flew everywhere. And the chaos began. The paprika was everywhere. Nobody was safe.
Thank goodness! That was close!
Just when I thought it was over, I made another mistake. It was a disaster. In 30 seconds, I destroyed a market that took years to build. I didn't know what to say. Everybody was so mad at me. It was not my day. I sat there for a long time. My dream was destroyed, and I smelled like a fruit salad. Maybe it's a sign. Maybe I should just give up. I decided to go back to Bangkok. Sometimes you lose, and that's okay. The bus ride was 4 hours. Nobody wanted to sit next to me. Finally, I arrived in the city. I was so tired. I decided to buy some new clothes. So I went to the street market, then checked in at a hotel. I took a quick shower, then decided to go for a walk in my new clothes. The city lights were so bright. And then I saw it. An art gallery? One last look at some art. Maybe it will make me feel better. So I went inside. It was very fancy. The art was beautiful. I was starting to feel better. Then I walked around the corner and almost fainted.
No way!
That's my painting!
The whole gallery was staring at me. The gallery owner came up to me.
Sir, please keep your voice down.
That painting! I made that! It's mine! I painted it by a waterfall in the jungle!
You're the artist, but a fisherman brought this to us.
A fisherman? The gallery owner introduced me to the man who found my painting.
You're the artist. It's so nice to meet you.
Yes, I painted it by the secret waterfall. Then I went to eat noodles and it disappeared.
Oh, I understand now. Let me explain. I was fishing in the river. Then I saw the painting floating in the water. So I pulled it out with my net. I didn't want it to be ruined, so I brought it here to the city.
The wind! The wind must have blown it into the river.
Yes, it was very windy, like there was a big storm coming.
So my painting went on its own adventure?
Your painting traveled 30 kilometers by river, more adventurous than me.
This is wonderful. A beautiful story. The painting that traveled by river. The people will love this.
What do you mean?
Sir, your painting is incredible. I want to buy it for the gallery.
Buy it? Really?
Yes, and I want to put a sign next to it telling the whole story. The waterfall that traveled. People will pay extra to see it.
I thought about it for a minute. Then I got an idea. I'll sell it. But on one condition.
Name it.
Half the money goes to the village school near the waterfall for books and supplies. The other half goes to Neon. for saving my painting from the river.
Me? No, I can't accept.
You saved my art. You gave it a second life. That deserves a reward.
I don't know what to say. Thank you, my friend.
It's a deal.
We all shook hands.
Tomorrow, we celebrate.
The next day, we had a party.
Ladies and gentlemen, the traveling waterfall.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Awesome! My turn now.
There were many important guests, but I felt out of place. How are you doing? Do you want to step outside?
Sure.
The vibe inside was not really for us. The food was tiny. We talked about life for a while. Then decided we would meet up the next day. Then a rich collector was interested in my painting, and he bought it in the end.
Here we go.
Everything was a huge success. The next day, I met Neon to make plans.
So, my friend, what now? You go home?
Not yet. I think I will stay for a few more weeks. What should I do?
The floating market. It's amazing.
Floating market? What's that?
It's a market on water. People sell food from boats. It's beautiful. It's crazy. Sometimes people fall in.
Fall in? Into the water?
Only sometimes. You'll be fine.
We made a deal to go on an adventure together the next day.
And that's the end of the story.
But we will continue tomorrow.
Only if you're good, and our friends want to hear it too. Like and subscribe. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you thought in the comments below. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share it with a friend. Your support means the world to me. Until next time.